Ladies and gentlemen, this is our anniversary. We are celebrating 10th year of M2M Summit, of this event, the first of its kind. And yes, good to have you here. So who we are, the M2M Alliance. We are a non-profit organization to push forward themes like the M2M, the digital transformation of our economy, of our society. And these are our members. We have, at the moment, 83 members from different domains. We have members from the hardware point of view, hardware, software, doing the connectivity for M2M IoT solutions. So a lot of members working together, networking. You will find the right person when you're in the M2M Alliance for your project, for your, what you want to do with M2M. And as you can see, there's a little white spot in the right corner. So you're very much invited, of course, to also be part of the M2M Alliance, be part of the network. Well, we are celebrating, right? And I got a little present for you. This is my present. This is a puzzle game, right? What has a puzzle game to do with M2M and IoT themes? We will see in a minute. By the way, I took this snapshot here on Saturday when I was in a supermarket with my family. And yeah, you all know these situations. When you're in a supermarket with your children standing in front of the toy shelf, and it goes like this. Dad, could you please buy me this one? No. Dad, could you buy me this one? No. Dad, could you? Okay, yes, I will do this. We're all humans, you know this. But let's come back to the M2M machine-to-machine communication. This is the title of the puzzle now. This is your next M2M IoT project. And we are here to help you with this puzzle. It looks like a puzzle with 5,000 pieces when you first start with it. Think about it, what you're doing when you do a puzzle game at first. Well, you collect all the edge pieces and put them together to build a frame, right? And that's your frame, the M2M Summit. So let's have a look at the other parts of the puzzle. First of all, the M2M principle. The basics about M2M, let's say the physical layer. The idea to connect devices, machines, to let them exchange information. But you should do this in a standardized way. You should use standards. There are a lot of standards. Somehow there are, we have too much standards, but this is another story. But at least you should do the communication between your devices in a standardized way. So, what to do with all the data you collect then at the devices? What you really need is a good data management. You have to distinguish between the information which is important for you and the information which is not important, right? Security is an issue, of course. This communication between your devices should be secure. You do not want to have intruders manipulating your data. This is very much important when you are connecting devices in the industry where it's. And this is your application then, of course, whether it's the Industry 4.0, it's the automotive one with the car-to-car communication, e-health, smart, and yes, I put some dots there, smart, smart factories, smart homes, smart medicine, smart everything. All these are your applications you're focusing on. Yes, and those are the players of the puzzle game, right? We have the companies, of course. The government is very much important to be involved in this, to have the help with a legal background when talking about security and privacy of the users. Academia, very much important to have the academia here to think about all these problems, to have some help with the standardization and so on. Well, the industry, startups are very much now binded to our event. We have also startup panel on tomorrow. That's very good. Well, the press, of course, the consumers itself. So it's important to have a look also at the consumer. We are not only doing B2B, but also B2C, and this is very much important, to have the consumer in the focus, not to forget about who will use your products in the end. And you need alliances, you need networks, like the M2M Alliance, to discuss all these topics, to have an event like this, like our M2M Summit, to come together and to talk about what happens, what's going on in the M2M IoT domain. Okay, now I have to draw this frame a little bit larger. I want to show you who's part of our event. The exhibitors, a lot of exhibitors here. I'm very proud to have you all here. And yes, welcome also to our partner country, Finland, of course. We have the FinPro organization with 10 companies. They have a large booth outside, you have seen. Good to have you here. Welcome. And our sponsors. We have our sponsors making such an event possible, like Vodafone, Rutronic, the Telecom, and SAP. So this is my slide where I want to say thank you. Thank you not only to the exhibitors and the sponsors. Thanks also to all the helping hands in the background, right? Making such an event possible. Thanks to my colleagues from the M2M Alliance, preparing a lot of things for you in before, thanks to the Technology Marketing Group organizing this event. Yes, this is my last slide. So, you know our slogan, be part of it. Be part of IoT, be part of it. I want to really encourage you to be part of the sessions, be part of the let's talk about all these things. To not only be here, be really part of it. So let's get social. You will find the M2M Alliance and the M2M Summit in the social media. You have seen maybe the social media printer just in front of our booth, the guys from Mentano. So what to do? You can take a photo, put the hashtag M2M Summit 2016 on it, and then, okay, first of all, you got your picture on Instagram or Twitter, but of course you can also collect a photo there. This is pretty cool. So be part of it, be part of this event, because only all together we can make the event, the summit, like it is, like it was the last years, also this year, a large and great event. Thank you very much.